Hello everyone, in front of me is iPhone 15 Plus and let me show you how to set up Pride Wallpaper on this device. So at first open the settings. To reach wallpaper, you just have to find it under settings list and click on add new wallpaper. Now scroll a bit lower and you will find here Pride wallpapers. So as you can see, those wallpapers are designed with the colors of the Pride flag to celebrate the LGBTQ plus community. So just pick the preferred one and then you can customize the fonts. Also you can add some widgets if you want to, and then to apply it just click on add. Then you can customize your home screen separately if you want to, or just set it as a wallpaper pair, and this is what I would like to do. And as you can see, from now on it is covering both your home and lock screens. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.